Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn off or disable the Safe Search feature on Google on your iPhone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to Google, go to any web page on Google, doesn't really matter, and select the hamburger icon in the top left corner. And then you want to go down and select where it says Safe Search. Go ahead and select that. And then you can either turn it off, which is show all relevant results, even if they are explicit. You may also want to instead just blur out results, but still show them. So still show text and links possibly, depending on the preference here. And then you can also just select filter, which would filter it out, and that would basically be the equivalent of having Safe Search fully turned on. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.